Alright, so let's talk about the book Do Epic Shit by Ankur Warikoo. I just finished reading this book. It's hardly 120 pages book that you can finish in one day, and there is something really great about this book that I'm going to tell you. If you have not read this, there's the link in the description. You can go and buy the book. So if you know Ankur Warikoo, if you already follow him on the Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, you already know a lot of things about him. Basically उसके life के बारे में, उसके failures के बारे में, then what he talk about, then how he mentor, उसके courses के बारे में. And this book Do Epic Shit is all about his life. Basically, if you have watched this video about 20, the mistakes he made in the 20s, mistakes he made in the 30s, all of those combined you will find in this book. If you have already read The Almanac of Naval Ravikant, there are definitely high chances that you are going to love the book Do Epic Shit, because this follows the same pattern. There is one thing that I really liked about this book is that you can start this book at any point and you can finish this book at any point. It's not necessary that you have to start from the page 1 and you have to go page 2, page 3, page 4. You can pick up any page and read any page. Try to reflect on that how your thinking is और आपके thinking में क्या changes करने हैं. This book is hardly 150 pages divided into 6 chapters like habits, awareness, then relationship, money, a lot of different topics, and again those topics are divided into those topics contains life lessons for Ankur Warikoo's life. So I will highly suggest you to go and read this book. It is one of the best thing I liked about this book is in the last chapter, in the relationship chapter, there are few letters Ankur Warikoo wrote for his children, and those letters are really amazing. Like those feel like one of the connection to me, that I felt that I should go back to my parents and ask them like what are those hobbies or what are those values that you want to pass on to the next generation. And probably I'm going to do that next week or the next month. So if you have not read this book, then make sure you read this book, buy the book. And if you already follow the Ankur Warikoo, then most of the thing out of the book you already know, like the mistakes that you should avoid in the 20s, 30s, then the failure resume. If you have already watched those videos, you are going to get those videos in the text format. So that's basically the concept about this book. Now let's talk about the 3 lines or the 3 quotes that I liked from this book. First quote that I liked from this book is, success is a relationship you have with your own self. If you are unhappy with where you are in life right now, do not wait to find out what you should be doing. Move out of where you are in life. So this is something when I first read, I really connected to this line, because every definition of success is different, and if you are not happy with where you are, then why are you wasting your life? Why are you wasting your time? Like I remember my college days, when I joined the mechanical engineering job, so as a design engineer, then I realized this line that I'm not happy, I'm not successful at this point, and I have to change that. And I apparently changed my career into the digital marketing field and the content creation field. Now I'm completely satisfied, I'm happy with where I am. Second line that I liked from this book is, the world is all about satisfaction. I believe satisfaction is the most powerful skill to have. Satisfaction in your journey, satisfaction in how far you have come, satisfaction in all your unwanted part of your have scooped out, satisfaction in your satisfaction. This again I can definitely connect with this line with this book also, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. If you have read this book, then these two books kind of go hand in hand, I will say that, because the concept and everything, the messaging follows in the same direction. Even Ankur Warikoo mentioned that he is inspired from the Naval Ravikant when it comes to understanding about the money. So satisfaction even I learned from this book also, and even I learned from this book also. So in this book they always talk about the satisfaction and living below your means, because these two things are really important if you want to enjoy your life and if you want to be happy at the end of your life. The third and the last line I liked from this book is, if you are comfortable dancing in public without alcohol or drugs, you are at peace with who you are. Well, this is all about we says that log kya kahenge, log kya dekhenge, all of that stuff. And if you want to get rid of that thing, then you have to enjoy your life, you have to be with yourself, and you have to be happy with whatever or however you are. That's something I learned in last 2 years in the lockdown, that however I am, whether it is my vampire teeth, whether I have pimples, however I look, I have to be happy with I am. If you are happy with however you look, then you have reached to the peak level of peace, and that's something that everyone should try to do at. So these are the 3 things that I liked about this book. But if you have never heard about the Ankur Warikoo, or if you don't know about his life, then definitely go for this book and try to read it about books and about hobbies, awareness, a lot of things that you will learn from this book. So go and buy this book, and I hope you will enjoy this book. And don't forget to join the Telegram group and the newsletter, where we share a lot of new stuff, new books that you are going to enjoy into the new year. And if you're looking for the more books that you should read, or the 20 books that you should read next year, check out this video where I shared all the books that you should read in the next year. And if you're looking for the another book about the content creation, that is Digital Booming Star, then check out this video where I shared the 11 lessons I learned from the 11 creator. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next one.